this next one is a little different.
Okay.
And I say it's a little different because it's really kind of targeting a very specific group of people. Okay. And that group of people are women who may want a child and that things hadn't worked out in the time period that they wanted to. Okay. So the question is getting a IVF deductible, and IVF is an vitro fertilization. So it's basically, when women decide to get their eggs frozen so they can have it. But can that be a deductible thing? Because I've learned, and I absolutely know some people currently in that process, and they've been sharing the expenses, and it can get pretty expensive.
It can get pretty expensive, and I hope that they go back and look at this law and make some minor adjustments. Yes, it is deductible, let's say that, but it's only deductible up to 7.5% of your AGI, which is your adjusted gross income. So let's say, for instance, your adjusted gross income when you file your taxes, and that's all your income that comes from your W-2s, your business, your net income from your business, your retirement monies that you may have taken out or that you receive, your Social Security. They'll look at all that total income. They'll minus any adjustments, such as student loan interest may have been paid, if you had educator deductions or any monies that you contributed to a SEP, you lower that down, and it comes to you what you call your AGI, which is your adjusted gross income. And let's just say that's $100,000. Then anything over 7.5%, which is $7,500 on your itemized deduction, assuming that you can itemize, anything over that amount, you can take that deduction at that point for your co-pays, for your payments for IVF, for any other medical expenses. What you cannot take is if you're working and you have pre-tax monies that's through your job, through health insurance, well, it's already pre-tax, you can't get a deduction over there. If you're paying insurance out of pocket, that gets added into as well. Let's say you're not in your job's insurance, healthcare coverage, you can put it over there as well. But again, you have to meet the 7.5%, and what I'm hoping is through situations like that, that they take IVF out and make it a full deduction and not subject to the 7.5%.
I tell you, just learning about this, it is a much larger community than I could have ever imagined.
Absolutely.
And just real quick, I didn't realize they have an extensive. Well, my friend is a part of this extensive Facebook page with a bunch of women that's kind of on this journey. Oh, wow. So. Again, it's like it's all these little worlds, these little pockets that you just don't know exist until you get a chance to realize that it's there. If you enjoy this content, if you like it, please think to tap the like button below, subscribe, and share this video with people that you would think would be interested.